Good morning students. Last class we discussed about what is the use of pH value on day to day life. Today we discuss about preparation of salts and their uses. Preparation of salts and their uses. So we know that few example of salts. What are that? Sodium bicarbonate, bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, washing soda, plaster of Paris, sodium hydroxide. Here sodium hydroxide prepared from common salt. That's why we consider this one also. First we discuss about sodium hydroxide. So what is the formula of common salt? NaCl. This is common salt. Sodium hydroxide prepared from this common salt. What are the common name of sodium chloride? Table salt, common salt, rock salt. How you can prepare the sodium hydroxide from sodium chloride? Now I will explain. When electricity passes through the aqueous solution of brine solution. Here what is the brine solution? So aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called as brine solution. So once again I repeat, when the electricity passes through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it undergoes decomposition to form base, chlorine and hydrogen gas. This process is called as chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. Now observe brine solution. When electricity passes through the brine solution, it undergoes decomposition to form sodium hydroxide, chlorine plus hydrogen gas. This process we call as chlor-alkali process. Why we are calling this process also called as chlor-alkali process? Here what is this base? We are calling alkali. Here chlorine we are calling chloro-alkali process, because here chlorine as well as base is formed. That's why we are calling chloro-alkali process. Here where we get chlorine gas, where we get H2 gas. In this process chlorine gas we obtained at anode. Hydrogen gas we obtained at cathode. Where we get sodium hydroxide, we get near cathode. So this is about chloro-alkali process. This is the very important. So chlorine gas where we get at anode. So hydrogen gas at cathode. Where we get sodium hydroxide? Near cathode. Next, what are the uses of sodium hydroxide? What is the common name of sodium hydroxide? Caustic soda. Uses. Soap industry. Used in soap industry. Paper industry. To make detergents. To make artificial fibers. This is the uses of sodium hydroxide. What are they? It is used for to make soap, that means soap industry, paper industry, to make detergents, to make artificial fibers. Next, second one is what is the common name? This is called as bleaching powder. What is the name of compound? Calcium oxidichloride. Calcium oxidichloride. It is, we are calling bleaching powder. How you can prepare the bleaching powder? Whenever chlorine gas passes through the slaked lime to form bleaching powder. Slaked lime. What is the formula of slaked lime? Calcium hydroxide. React with the chlorine gas to form calcium oxychloride plus H2O. How we can prepare bleaching powder? Chlorine gas passes through the slaked lime, we get bleaching powder. What is the formula of slaked lime? Calcium OH twice. This is calcium hydroxide. Next, what are the uses of bleaching powder? Uses. First one, bleaching cotton. Bleaching linen in textile industry. Bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. Bleaching washed cloth in laundry. Next, it is used for preparation of chloroform. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. This is called as trichloromethane. It is called as chloroform. So this is uses of bleaching powder. First one, what? Bleaching cotton. bleaching linen in textile industry, bleaching wood pulp in paper industry, bleaching washed cloth in laundry, used for preparation of chloroform. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3 trichloromethane. So cleaning of water. Suppose in our surroundings we are using bleaching powder, so to purify the water. Next, third one, sodium bicarbonate. So this is common name is baking soda. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. This is general name of this one, baking soda. Chemical name of this one, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Next, how you can prepare the sodium bicarbonate? Sodium chloride react with water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia to form ammonium chloride plus sodium bicarbonate. So this is the preparation of baking soda. How you can prepare? Sodium chloride react to water, carbon dioxide, ammonia to form ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Next, what are the uses of sodium bicarbonate? Uses of sodium bicarbonate. It is used for fast cooking. It is used for fast cooking. What happens here? So here, whenever sodium carbonate undergo decomposition in the presence of heat to release the carbon dioxide, then it is fast cooking. Now observe what happens in fast cooking. Sodium bicarbonate undergo decomposition in the presence of heat to form sodium carbonate plus CO2 plus H2O. This is the equation occurring in fast cooking. Then another one, it is used as antacids. Why we are using antacids? What is the nature of sodium bicarbonate in antacids? So it is a basic substance. So where we should use this one? When we suffer from stomach pain, so we can use the antacids. What is the reason? Because in our stomach to produce more amount of HCl we feel pain. This pain we can reduce by taking sodium bicarbonate. After what happens? Acidic and basic nature combine to form neutral. So we get relief. Next now, baking powder. Baking powder is a combination of tartaric acid and baking soda. Baking powder is a combination of tartaric acid and baking soda. Whenever this baking soda mixed with water to release the carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide used for the to make soft cake and spongy bread. What happens here? Sodium bicarbonate mixed with water. Then what happens? The reaction observed. Sodium bicarbonate mixed with water to form CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salts acid. So whenever sodium bicarbonate mixed with water, what happens? This reaction is occur. So whenever CO2 is formed in this process, it is helped to make soft and spongy cake and bread. Next, it is used for fire extinguishers. Why we are using sodium bicarbonate in fire extinguishers? What happens? So whenever sodium bicarbonate react with acid to release the carbon dioxide, so this carbon dioxide used for the foot of the fire. That's why we are using for fire extinguishers. Next, last one. It is used for antiseptic. So this is the uses of sodium bicarbonate. Next, washing soda. What is the formula of washing soda? Na2CO3 10H2O. How you can prepare washing soda? Sodium carbonate react with 10 moles of H2O to form washing soda. Sodium carbonate react with water to form washing soda. What are the uses of washing soda? Uses: used in glass industry, used in paper industry, used in soap industry, used in domestic purpose, used in removing permanent hardness of water, used for preparation of sodium compounds, such as borax. What is the formula of borax? This is formula of borax, Na2B4O7, that is called as borax. So this is the uses of washing soda. What is that? Used in glass industry, used in paper industry, used in soap industry, used in domestic purpose, used in removing permanent hardness of water, used for preparation of sodium compounds such as borax. So what is the formula of borax? Na2B4O7. Next, last one is plaster of Paris. POP means plaster of Paris. What is the formula of plaster of Paris? Calcium sulfate of H2O. How you can prepare the POP? By heating up gypsum at 373 kelvins to form plaster of Paris by the loss of water molecule. Now gypsum, calcium sulfate, 2H2O. This is the formula of gypsum. By heating, it lost water molecule to form plaster of Paris. Plus this is preparation of POP. By heating of gypsum to get plaster of Paris by the loss of water molecule. Next, uses. Used for setting off fractured bones. In the right position. So here what happens? So whenever plaster of Paris react with water to form hardest substance, this hardest substance used for the setting of fractured bone in the right position. Now again reaction, what happens here? Calcium sulfate half H2O react with water to form again gypsum. It is the hardest substance. Next, used for to make toys, used for to make decoration material, used for to make smooth surface. So these all are uses of plaster of Paris. So what are the uses? Used for setting up fractured bones in the right position. So the reaction occur this situation. Next, used for to make toys, used for to make decoration material, used for to make smooth surface. So thank you. Next class we discuss about